Hello from FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show you the location of the AC ports of the BMW E46 2001-2005. There in front the AC ports, air conditioning ports, and one is front of the left, on the left side of the engine. You see it in a very clear place. The other one is again on the left, but it's on the back. You can see it. See here. As the one, the port. One is for low pressure. The other one is for high pressure port. In this video clip, I'm going to show you location of cabin filter. That's a cabin filter here under the bonnet, just that one. Yeah, there's a 3-bolt that you can untie it with hand. There's spring, a plastic one with spring, and it's very easy to take the cabin filter or pollen filter off of the car and replace it. With every car coming in our garage, we put new video clips. Our channels are this one, FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one is Peter's Garage. How's the cabin filter? See the bolts there? They have spring. And tighten only by hand. You don't need any tools for that. To replace it, even it's not necessary to go in the garage. It's very easy to do it. Here we don't change it because we don't replace it, because the customer, he came here for changing for the oil filter and air filter, not cabin filter. But anyway, we're showing because we're showing everything about the cabin filter as well. Thank you again for visiting our channels FIX Sevt AUTO and Peter's Garage.